Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make quick and simple beef stroganoff. Now this part's optional. You want to take half an onion and just dice it up. You don't have to use an onion if you don't like onions, but I just do it because it adds a lot of flavor. So just dice it up nice and fine. Don't have to be perfect. Now you want to take your meat. Now I'm just using this pre-cut stir-fry meat, but you could use whatever type of beef you want. You just got to be willing to cut it up. So all you want to do right here is cook it till it's brown. All the way through. And once you get it mostly all the way brown, you want to add in the onions. Then you just want to do is sweat the onions a bit until they, release some of the moisture and add the flavor to the beef. Just keep moving it around until the onions begin to cook. You don't want to caramelize the onions, see, that's why you want to keep moving them. Now we're going to add in the cream of mushroom soup. Now this is 1 can, it's a cup and a half. You just want to do is mix it until it's well incorporated. And, add the milk in as well. Now what you want to do is bring it to a boil. Well, light boil. Just keep stirring it so it doesn't burn to the bottom. And I'm adding the dry parsley, some salt and pepper, all to taste. Again, bring it up to a simmer or a light boil. Now the whole point here is to stew the meat and onions in the soup, so that way they come nice and tender and soft. And of course, while you're doing all this, you want to have your noodles on the stove cooking as well. So when this is done, they are ready to serve. Then once it simmers for a few minutes, you want to drop in your sour cream. Now this is a cup of sour cream, so 8 ounces. And just stir it till it's well incorporated into the mixture. Now this one you just want to lightly simmer for another few minutes. Now the goal here is to reduce the sauce to a thicker consistency. This is what you want to achieve right here. When you pull it back with the spoon or your spatula, see how long it takes to go back into it, cover it up? That's what you want. And once this is ready, it's ready to be served. Just take your still hot noodles, pop in a tab of butter, and pour the noodles right on top and give it a stir until the noodles are well incorporated with the butter. Then you can serve. Just ladle the beef mixture over the noodles, and there you go. You got yourself a quick and simple beef stroganoff. Now, I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the food.